Hello classmates, this is Maria here once again, and this video is the 15th lesson of working with Google Sheets. In this lesson, we'll be reviewing a few things we have worked with in the last lesson, and we'll be learning a function that will help you work with Google Sheets. So let's start with reviewing the last lesson. So as we know, if you write down a number in any of the cells, for example, 186, and as you go down the column, you want it to decrease by 2 in each cell. So there's a formula for that, of course. You just add an equal sign, then click on the cell, click on the minus, and then write the number that you want to remove. Then you get 184. We know that if you click on this formula and you drag it down, it will go down by 2 on each cell. If you want to find the percentage of a certain number, just write down that percentage, for example, 13%. Then we may do another formula, which is equals, then this cell, then times, which is to add a multiplication sign, it's shift 8. Then you click on this cell with the percentage, then you press enter, and you get the percentage of 186. However, if you just click on this formula and drag it down, it won't show you the correct percentage, as you can see. We want to make it so that the percentage actually makes sense. So instead of just dragging it down, we need to add a dollar sign. Add a dollar sign to the left and to the right of the cell where the percentage is located. So the percentage is located in cell G2, so you add a dollar sign to the left and to the right of G. I'll click here. There's the formula. And now, if you drag it down, just click on the cell and drag it down as usual. It will show you the correct percentage. And the cool thing is, if you decide to change the percentage, for example, instead of 13, you could just make it 3% instead. The percentage of all these numbers changes as well. So that's a really cool feature. I hope you have fun working with it. Now on to this lesson, which will be a short one today. This is the find and replace command. There are two ways to access the find and replace command. You can do it just by clicking Control F. And there you have it. Or you could go to the Edit tab right over here between File and View. Click on it, and then click on the Find and Replace command between Paste Special and Delete Values. So right now we're just going to use the keyboard version, which is Control F. And if you want to find anything, like a number, a word, or a phrase, you just write down the certain word. For example, we're going to write down panel. Panel. And as you can see, we have panel. we have panel locate written in these two cells, and here, right over here, it shows which it shows 1 out of 2, which means right now we're looking at this cell, but if we go down, it's going to focus on this cell. So basically, it shows how many of the cells in this whole spreadsheet contain this specific word, and it shows which one. It highlights the one you're concentrating on. You could also locate the word on other spreadsheets. Where, for example, over here it says 0, but in this one there's 10 of them, and they're all highlighted. This one's especially highlighted. There's like a border here. There are certain things you could do with these spreadsheet, with the find and replace command. You can do this with the, if you decide to use the keyboard to access the find and replace command with the keyboard. There are these 3 dots you can click on to the left of the X, and you can access these settings, which you can also access in the Edit tab. You can choose where exactly do you want to search this word, and do you want to search the word in all the spreadsheets, or do you want to search just in this sheet or in a specific range? You can also choose what to replace the word with. For example, we want to replace panel with high, and if you click done, hold on, Control F, panel is with high. Oh, you just click on replace all. Basically replace all of the spreadsheets and all the cells in the spreadsheets that contain that specific word or expression. Click on OK, and click on done. And as you can see, all of these are changed, and they're also changed in other spreadsheets, but as you can see over here, it says high, which isn't supposed to be here. So we know now that it was changed. Let's see. The last thing you could do with the find and replace command is you could choose all these options to work with. You could just choose match case, match entire cell contents, search using regular expressions, or also search within formula. So this is all the lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.